Hey there, awesome investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things stock market with a sprinkle of fun. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, I've got a fantastic treat for you. I'm thrilled to announce that I've just rolled out an absolutely free stock market investing course. Yep, you heard that right. Free. You'll find the link right below in the description. So don't miss out on leveling up your investing game. All right, let's jump into today's juicy topic, the status quo bias. Now, I know it might sound like a term from a psychology class, but trust me, it's a concept that can have a major impact on your investing decisions. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's unravel the mystery of the status quo bias together. Imagine this, you've been holding on to a certain stock for a while now. It's like an old friend, familiar and comforting. But guess what? Sometimes sticking with the status quo can lead us into a financial rabbit hole. That's where the status quo bias comes into play. It's that little voice in our head saying, hey, don't change anything. It's been working so far. But guess what? The stock market is anything but predictable. Trends change, new opportunities arise, and holding on to something just because it's familiar might actually be holding you back from bigger gains. We tend to fear change, but in the world of investing, change can be your best friend. And this is where the rubber meets the road. My investing champs, it's time to challenge that status quo bias, step out of your comfort zone, and explore new avenues. Here are 3 quick tips to avoid status quo bias. 1. Research, research, and research. Stay curious and keep digging for information. Don't just settle for what you know. Find out what you might be missing. 2. Set clear goals. Maybe you need to adjust them. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize risk and embrace potential growth. So there you have it, fantastic folks, the status quo bias decoded. Remember, the stock market is like a constantly evolving playground, and you don't want to be the kid stuck on the same swing forever, right? Embrace change, make informed decisions, and watch your investments flourish. Don't forget to check out the link below for that amazing free stock market investing course I mentioned at the beginning. It's a golden opportunity you don't want to miss.